morning, Sanchit. Welcome back.
Hi, Vishal.
So today we are going to talk a little bit about custom software development versus package solutions for the logistics and supply chain industry.
Sure.
So over the last few years, we have seen lots of package software come up, and a lot of large companies have been using it. How does a small and medium-sized company decide whether they should go for a package solution or versus a custom software developed for their own need? How do you decide that, and what are the pros and cons of the two solutions?
Sure. See, there have been a lot of standard transport management solutions, warehousing solutions, which are being used and have been used for years by most of the big logistics service providers, trucking companies, air freight companies around the world. So, and which will be there, which will cater to maybe the bigger players of this industry. Mm-hmm. For the smaller to mid-level players, they might not be the best solution, rather for mainly two reasons. One being that they have been designed for a very standard process, which typically is it is followed by the big trucking companies or the transportation companies. So they do not have enough flexibility for customizing your own workflows and processes. And secondly, of course, is the cost. So they're expensive, and probably to customize any of their features, you might end up paying a lot of money. So I think what smaller to medium level trucking companies or custom brokerage companies, logistics providers can do is really go for a custom build solution. Of course, you have to really find a good technology partner and plan what you need so that you get the best value of that offering.
So getting a partner who knows the industry and the underlying technologies is critical, right? Because like we were discussing in another video, there could be a lot of point solutions that need to be integrated to save cost.
Right. So of course, for example, we have been doing logistics and transportation and supply chain only, for the last few years, and we now understand what are the best practices. So choosing a partner which understands our industry is I think paramount for a successful custom solution. And as you said, we really don't have to create everything from scratch. So for example, what we can do is really map out your requirements and see if there are any point solutions available. There are many solutions, out of the box software solutions available. For example, a PC miler which just gives you the miles between any two locations, or services which can give you transit times.
Or mapping service like Bing or Google.
Sure. Yeah, sure. So you really don't need to go for a very expensive or complex geographical information system anymore. We have created solutions around Bing and Google Maps, on which using which you can get location information, tracking information, weather, temperature information to aid your route optimization process. And so these are solutions available, which and libraries available, which you can very easily integrate with the software that you're developing. So basically, I think a good way is to go for a custom solution, wherein you see what is available point of solution software is available, which you can integrate in your entire bigger roadmap.
Okay, and the other advantage that I was talking to a small logistics company the other day, and they're saying they're very focused on customer service, and they only service a certain kind of client set. Mm-hmm. And therefore their whole process and systems are geared towards servicing those customers in a certain way.
Right.
And they found the standard software very inflexible from that point of view, because the bigger companies use it slightly differently. They don't have the same level of service level or customization for their clients.
Sure.
So does that play any role in this decision?
Of course, that's a very good point. So as if you choose a right technology partner who understands the industry as well as the technology, and for example, we use agile methodology. wherein we build software step by step. So once we sit with the client, understand their entire product roadmap, we really deliver it within, in small steps. So typically, we have working software within 4 to 6 weeks of when we begin. And for client, they can really lay out their whole plan as per their most strategic or urgent need. Get that going, get it out in the market pretty soon, and then keep adding your features or as your offerings increase. So, for example, today I'm doing an LTL shipment or a TL shipment. Tomorrow, if I want to go to air freight, or today I'm doing just say US, and tomorrow I want to go global. I think then if you're working with a good partner who has understood the business and who know that these things are eventualities of being in this logistics service business, will help a lot. So that's really important.
Thank you, Sanchit. That was very informative.
Thank you.